Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. You had a great weekend. It's a beautiful day here, which is really awesome. I just wanted to give you a quick update about what's going on in our situation as well. And I think all of you also, maybe some of them having the same issues that we're having, which is the limit that Amazon just applied to our account. And really, I think it's a little bit, is hurting us a bit. If you realize here, all the back, what I have here in the back of me, all this stuff here, all this stuff, look at this, all this pools, floaters, and everything that we have here, we're not able to ship because of the limit. And I'm really kind of disappointed, and I really like, hey, why Amazon did that to us, especially us, like we sell really good amount of units. It's completely different than US, because us will sell our AOA, as you guys know, in Canada, and in Canada the sales are usually slower than US, so the sell-through rate is way lower than you guys get it in the US. So when we get things in, we know it's gonna trickle in very slowly. The sales are gonna be slowly. So the only way to beat that is by actually increasing your inventory. So if you have inventory higher, you'll be able to sell a little bit more, but the sell-through rate is way lower than if you have it in the US, because of the demand and because of the population size and all the stuff that gets into it. So what happened, we had, I believe we had around 1,800, 1,900 units total. As you guys know, I like to keep around 600 SKUs in, but unfortunately now they brought it back to 550. 550, that's basically, I'm already over the limit without even shipping anything of that. So all the inventory that I have there, as I told, I had 350, and each 2 units each, let's say minimum, which is, you know, guys, I buy a lot of them, is actually brought everything up. So when it brought everything up the limit, I'm now over the limit. So what I did the past few days, a week, I'm liquidating a lot of units that they were slow moving units, and I'm just going with the things that really sell well, because I really want to clear up things for all the stuff that here, the swimming pool, the seasonal stuff that has really low BSR, which is really important for high sell-through rate. So the ways that how I'm gonna do it, so I'm liquidating everything. I am lowering my price for the things that I think I can break even with. Anything that I think it's been there for over 6 months, you know, it depends. 3 months, if you think it's really high BSR, do it. But I think anything from up to 6 months, liquidate everything. Even if I lose 10% on it, who cares? Because I want to leave some space on that. The second thing that I am doing, I am actually starting my FBM. So my FBM listings are going to be up this week, which is, I'm going to put a lot of things that has high value. I'll be able to put them there if the margins support me, including the shipping that I'm gonna get. Now, if you know, guys, here in Canada, our shipping, it's way too expensive. Our shipping, it's really expensive. Like anything minimum for anything, let's say something like that. This is, I bought $10. If I ship it in, if I go ahead and ship it to FBA and I do it by FBA, I'll be able to profit around $7 to $8. But now, if I do it with our Canada Post as an FBM at the regular price that Amazon has, I will basically pay them $5, because the shipping here is around $15 minimum, but usually is a $20 average for everything that I ship. So that's going to be a little bit difficult. So that's why I'm trying to clear up for the things that really has a lower small margins, like these, like I buy 10, make $7. The shipping doesn't justify it. So I am going to clear everything else I have in my inventory, and I'm just going to send the things that I think will be profitable as an FBA. And I think that FBM, like for example, if I ship something like that, a pool, okay, this pool, for example, this pool, let's say cost me $35. I sell it for 120, 130. My profit margin, let's say $50. I can afford to lose $20 on shipping and make $30. I'm still happy with that, right? So I can keep stuff with a higher value, higher price item, because the profit is there, and I can ship them as FBM. So anything small is not going to be profitable for us. It's not going to be profitable to do FBM. So I want to clear up some space and ship the things that really cheap, because even this small things like this, look, that's what cost me $15 to $20 to ship to in Canada Post. So it's very hard for us to make money with something really small. So what I'm going to do, get all the everything that's really high, everything that high price. I'm going to get them out, liquidate as much as I can, if I can, and ship the things that small, that become more profitable FBA. So you need to do that. At the same time, I don't know how Amazon doing their how they're calculating the limits, because that's ridiculous, to be honest with you, especially for people who are been doing it for a long time, and to really penalize us this way, it's a little bit disgusting, to be honest with you. So like this, all the shipment, I was good to had the limit to ship them, and I was okay, but we didn't create the shipping on the right time. And what did that happen? Basically, when we came the time for us to create the shipping plan, was already lowered the limit, and we're over the limit they're already suggested, or they gave us. So that's the bad news, to be honest with you. But this part of the business is gonna weed out a lot of the weak hands, and I hope you guys are not this weak hands. I hope your guys are really, don't give up or don't do anything stupid, because you will regret it. Because this is something that's gonna go for a month and two. Amazon's gonna realize that, hey, not all people are shipping on FBA. I'm thinking this way. It's not gonna, people are not shipping much. They losing on Amazon FBA fees. Customers are not happy because they're getting the price are gonna go higher, because if you do FBM, the price is gonna go higher anyways. It's already, we have inflation already. The prices are high to begin with as an FBA, and it's really sad. So US, I think you might be good because you're using Amazon discounted rates by shipping FBM, but us in Canada, we don't have that. So we kind of stuck. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna ship, hopefully, I'm gonna be under the limit, hopefully, in the next week. If that happens, I'm just gonna ship the things that are really low, and let's see what happens. So please, guys, let me know, what do you think? Let me know what's happening in your situation, what's going on with you, because I'm just seeing that in Canada. In the US, I'm really good. My limits are really great, and I have like over 10,000 units are coming in for a private label, and they're good. But this is the one that I'm really a little bit disappointed about, because look, I have a lot of inventory, guys, a lot. Look here, I have here, all this stuff here that I got them. It needs to be, I need to figure out a way. So, but I will figure out, as usual. As I know, Amazon is not easy. It's not get rich quick scheme or anything like that. You need to do the work, and we'll bring the work. My wife and I, Megan and I, will bring the work. My kids also are in it, and I know you guys are doing the same thing. So I just want to come out there and give you a little bit quick update. If you're really feeling down, or you're feeling, hey, what's going on? It's part of the business. Stick with it. The same thing that they did the limit with 200 in the beginning, and then they changed their mind to a new system. They're gonna realize that's also gonna hurt them, hurt their fees, hurt the sales. The customers are not gonna have, because of high price, and also I believe it's going to back up all their processing, because now instead of shipping one shipment a month or one shipment every 2 weeks, now people need to ship every week. And doing that means it's going to lengthen the processing time or receiving time for the product, and processing them in the fulfillment center in Amazon. So this is it. So I just want to give you a quick update and check out with you, because I know I've been a little bit busy. I keep saying that I'm busy, but really I'm doing a few things here and there, just figure out a few things, and that's it. So please let me know in the comments your thoughts. What do you think? What's your situation? What's happening with you? And just keep going, and I'm not gonna let that stop us, right? Let's do it, guys. Anyways, have yourself a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.